Hi everyone, welcome to our online learning platform SV Lessons Competitive Exams. So today we have come up with a new topic, that is Indian polity and constitution questions asked in all SSC recruitment exams. So these questions will very useful for all type of SSC recruitment exams like SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, SSC MTS and SSC Constability exam. So let's start with our first question. A federal structure for India was first put forwarded by the Act of 1935, and this question was asked in SSC CGL prelims. That the date is 27 to 2000. The exercise thus most profound influence in framing the Indian Constitution, and the answer is the Government of India Act 1935. How does the Constitution of India describe India as a union of states? The system of judicial review originated in USA. Prevention Preventive detention means detention without interrogation. What was the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India? The Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. From the constitution of which country the provision of federation was borrowed while framing the Constitution of India? Canada. The man who was not a member of the Constituent Assembly established in July 1946 is Mahatma Gandhi. The chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution was B.R. Ambedkar. India is a republic because the head of the state is elected for a definite period. The constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India was Sir B.N. Rao. Country that is introduced direct democracy, Switzerland. Who was the president of the Republic India who consistently described Indian secularism as Sarvadharma Sambhav? D.R.S. Radhakrishnan. A country which have an unwritten constitution, UK. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949, a feature that in both the Indian Federation and the American Federation, a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. The Constitution of India describes India as a union of states. The convention that once a speaker always a speaker is followed in which country? UK. Indian Penal Code came into operation in the year 1862. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? 395. When was our national anthem was first sung and where? 27th December 1911 in Calcutta. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. The term caste was derived from Portuguese. The term Greater India denotes cultural unity. The two forms of democracy are parliamentary and presidential. The Constitution of India contains 395 articles, now 448 articles. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from England. The drafting of Constitution was completed on 26 November 1949. The President of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The method of impeachment of the President of India is adopted from USA. The concept of constitution first originated in Britain. The provisional president of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Sachided Ananda Simha. The chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Persons may change but rules should not change is the principle of constitutional government. The Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan. The two basic principles of the liberal theory of democracy, as emphasized by John Locke, are universal adult franchise and the right to property. Cabinet system and collective responsibility are the contributions of which country? Britain. Direct democracy is a system of government in which people take part directly in the policy making and administration of the country. In India, legal sovereignty is vested with the constitution. What is meant when the constitution declares India a secular state? The state regards religions as a private affairs of the citizens and does not discriminate on the basis. January 26 selected as the date for the inauguration of the constitution because the Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. The unitary system of government possesses advantages. Strong state, which is not an element of the state, is army. The concept of sovereign parliament originated in England. Who is considered the architect of the Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. The concurrent list in the Indian Constitution is adapted from the Constitution of Australia. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? 26 November 1949. The mind and ideals of the formers of Constitution are reflected in the preamble. Is presidential form of government a feature of Indian Constitution? Is it true or false? And the answer is false. What is the basis of classification of governments as unitary and federal? Relationship between the center and states. Indian Constitution is quasi-federal. The state possesses both internal and external sovereignty. The Government of India Act 1935 was based on Simon Commission, who described the Government of India Act 1935 as a new character of bondage. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru. The custodian of the Indian Constitution is Chief Justice of India. The most important system in democracy is a political. Where do we find the ideas of Indian democracy in the constitution? The preamble. The state operates through government. When was the first Central Legislative Assembly constituted? 1920. The Constitution of India describes India as Union of States. The idea of parliamentary form of government is adapted from UK, who proposed the suggestion for a constituent assembly first in 1935. M.N. Roy. Name of the country from which the constitutional features of procedures for amendment was borrowed by India. South Africa. From which country Indian Constitution borrowed the feature the written constitutions? US. The territorial division of the governors in India was done by which act? Governor of India Act 1858. Act the system of diarchy was introduced at the center by which act? 1935. When was the Constituent Assembly of India started functioning? 1946. The Constitution allows re-election of a person to the president's post. Act which introduced separate electorates. Communal representation for Muslim is under Act of 1909. The concept of rule of law is a special feature of constitutional system of which country? Britain. The method of amending the constitution by popular veto is found in Switzerland. The inalienable attribute of the parliamentary system of government is fusion of executive and legislature. The phrase equality before law used in Article 14 of Indian Constitution has been borrowed from Britain. Democratic socialism aims at bringing about socialism through democratic means. The judgment stated that secularism and federalism are the basic features of the Indian Constitution is S.R. Bommai case. Universal adult franchise shows that India is a country which is democratic. The man which is not a member of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution was Rajendra Prasad. Autocracy means absolutely rule by one. Constitutional monarchy means the king exercises power and granted by constitution. Popular sovereignty is sovereignty of the people.